Never leave home without having quick access to your COVID vaccination card, accessible with just a click from SpeechMED Solo. To upload your vaccination document, log into the web portal by going to www.speechmed.com and clicking on Login button on the top right of your screen. Enter your credentials and you will be taken to the SpeechMED dashboard. Go to the Documents tab located on the left and click on Add a Document. Using the drop-down menu, select COVID Vaccination Report Card as the type, create a name for the file, and click on Choose File. A window will pop up for you to choose your vaccination card file. You can upload either a JPG or PDF format. Click Save. Your COVID vaccination card is now on SpeechMED. You can access it anytime from the web portal by pressing the Download button. To view your vaccination card on the go, open the SpeechMED Solo app and press the COVID-19 vaccine button, located on the bottom of the home screen.